Meralco Online Bill. How to create a Meralco online account. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Monthly, may nare-receive tayong bill from Meralco. Hinihintay pa nating ma-receive yung bill para alam natin kung magkano yung amount. But in this tutorial, gagawa tayo ng online account with Meralco para online pwede na nating ma-access kung magkano yung bill natin for the month. And also, ma-access mo rin yung mga past bills mo sa Meralco. So let's say nawala mo na yung bill for the last few months, pwede mo pa rin siyang ma-access through your Meralco online account. And also, pwede ka rin magbayad online through this online account sa Meralco. So let's start. First, go to online.meralco.com.ph and hintayin lang natin siya. So, nare-direct ako sa website agad na to kung saan pwede akong mag-sign up. May isa ring option, like pag pumunta ka sa mismong website nila, that's www.meralco.com.ph. Hintayin lang natin mag-fully load. May redirect ako sa main website nila. If I click this and click login, ito rin yung same website na pinuntahan natin kanina. That's online.meralco.com.ph. Dito, kung may existing account ka na with Meralco Online, pwede kang mag-log in. But since for this tutorial, gagawa pa lang tayo ng online account with Meralco, click sign up here. So, create a new account. May dalawang options dito. Yung first option, if you have a Meralco bill na existing na. For second option, ito yung mga cases katulad na kakakabit pa lang nung bill or ng kuryente sa kanila. Ito yung pipiliin mo. Let's say, bago pa lang yung connection mo with Meralco and wala ka pang nare-receive na bill ever from Meralco, ito dapat yung piliin. And since meron na akong bill from them, ito yung pipiliin ko. This one, email address. So, for email address, i-enter ko dito yung sa Gmail account ko. And then I'll provide here my complete name. And also for this, my active mobile number. For service ID number, nasa Meralco bill mo to. So, pag kinlik ko to, makikita mo kung saang parte siya ng bill mo. So, nandito siya. So, I'll enter my service ID number here. And then enter the details found on any of your bills from the past 2 months. So, dapat yung total kilowatt hour and also the bill date. Ito yung details na galing sa bill ko from the past 2 months. So, dapat recent bill lang. So, in total kilowatt hour, I'll enter it here. And also the bill date here. And I'll check this. I have read and agreed to Meralco Online Terms and Conditions. If you want to check these terms and conditions and privacy policy, pwede mo namang gawin. I-open natin siya sa new tab. Ito yung privacy policy. Medyo mahaba-haba siya. Well, for terms and conditions, hindi ko alam ba't hindi siya nag-load. Ulitin ko lang. So, wala pa rin siya. For this tutorial, hindi ko nahihintayin mag-load yung terms and conditions. I already checked this and I'll go ahead and click register. Please make sure that all details are correct to avoid delay in creation of your Meralco online account. So, tama naman lahat ng details na ilagay ko rito. So, I'll click OK. I'll click register again. And hintayin lang natin. We've sent a confirmation email. Please click the link to proceed with your registration. Kung sakaling wala yung confirmation email sa inbox, pwedeng i-check yung spam folder. So, i-open ko yung Gmail account ko, which is ito siya. So, na-receive ko na kaagad yung Meralco online account verification. So, click ko to. So, andito yung link for the activation. Sinabi rin dito na yung link is mag-expire after 30 days. So, after mo magawa yung online account or after mo ma-receive tong email na to, meron kang 30 days para ma-activate yung registration. So, I'll click this link. And na-open siya dito. And this time, mag-set na tayo ng password. Sa password, mahalaga na may upper or big letter or alphabet. Dapat may number din siya and may isang lowercase or small letter. Ang minimum is 8 characters. So, let's say, gawa tayo ng So, ipakita ko lang yung sample ng password. So, dapat nag-match yung password na ilalagay mo. Meron ako isang uppercase letter and may lowercase din. Same with this. Meron ako isang character and meron ding number. So, i-hide ko na lang siya ulit. For the purpose of the tutorial, pinakita ko yung sample password. I'll go ahead and change the password here. And click Set Password. So, wala na akong nakitang confirmation kung okay ba or naging successful ba yung registration. This time, I'll test yung ginawa nating pag-setup na account ko. So, i-enter ko dito yung email address na nilagay ko kanina and also the password. And I'll click Login. So, ulitin ko lang ulit yung password. And sana tama na siya. So, ito na yung online account ko with Meralco. Actually, today, March 29, wala pa rin ako nare-receive na actual bill from Meralco. I'm not sure the reason why. Pero buti na lang, meron akong online account with Meralco and nakita ko na agad yung dapat kong bayaran for the month and bukas na yung due date niya. Meron akong option dito na bayaran siya agad by clicking this Pay Now button and i-explore natin to sa next video natin. So, under these bills and payments, pwede kong makita yung consumption report ko. So, ito siya. And also, for outages and incidents, pwede rin siya. Pwede mong ma-check dito kung may recent issue with Meralco sa ilang area dito sa Metro Manila or sa Philippines. And that's it for now. Nagbigay lang ako ng konting overview about Meralco Online account. Sa next video natin, gagawa tayo ng walkthrough sa account na to and also how to pay your bills online through Meralco Online account. And sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And you may also check these videos. Ito yung mga videos on how to pay your bills online. And also may mga videos din kami in case you're interested. These are your options about money investment. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.